Cause and effect. A single cause can have far-reaching effects. In the world of automation, the impact of a single source can create many ripples, results that cause growth.
The reason why I believe we were chosen as the controls supplier was our ability to bridge between suppliers from two different regions of the world and a end user that was in yet another region of the world, and make that all come together.
So when Hong Kong Air Cargo Terminals Limited, HACTL, outgrew its two-terminal facility, HACTL, it took $1 billion investment and a multinational construction crew to create the right solution. Mannesmann Dematic AG of Germany, Murata Machine of Japan, and Caitlin International of Canada worked together to develop Super Terminal 1. Located at the new Hong Kong International Airport, it is the largest fully automated cargo handling terminal in Asia.
The new terminal is much bigger than the HACTL one. In terms of tonnage throughput, this building is designed to handle 2.6 million tons annually. In HACTL, we got two terminals. Altogether, they can handle 1.56 million tons a year.
First of all, is the product itself. It gives us a wide range of choice. So, and secondly, it is the service and the local support. During the vendor selection stage, we find that the skill and the skill of the local team is very strong. They can give us a very strong confidence that they can help us to follow up issues.
Automation was never a question for Super Terminal 1. Both Mannesmann and Murata specified Allen Bradley components to control and monitor the stack cranes, cargo hoists, conveyors, transfer vehicles, and other automated freight handling systems. And Caitlin wrote software to integrate the components and the controls to HACTL's operating procedures.
In our design, we have incorporated a modular design that once we do the startup for the first few systems, then we can roll out it to all of the others.
They had a significant reduction in the amount of time it took to stabilize the PLC system. In other words, get a system that was, they could rely on, was repeatable, and so on. And they reduced that amount of time at HACTL, or from HACTL, which was, it took them about 12 months down to just 3 months after the opening at CLK. So that was a significant improvement and certainly saved them a lot of time and money from an engineering standpoint, and got their, allowed them to get up to capacity much more quickly.
But helping HACTL keep up with changing technologies while the new facility was coming online was only half the challenge.
If we have equipment breakdown, which has to be carried air cargo, which has to be shipped right away. So we need a technical team to operate this terminal, maintenance team to operate this terminal 24 hours a day.
Especially at one of the busiest trade hubs in the world, which meant that professionals from Rockwell Automation's Hong Kong office had to implement an asset management strategy.
For HACTL, they need to pause. They can't stop working, so we have a suggestion that we can provide this kind of service to them so that they can have our pros immediately. Flexibility in products, processes, and in doing business.
What we're looking for is reliable suppliers. The product is good. Even though we pay a little bit higher than, say, the Japanese products, and the support we got from Rockwell is worth the pay.
Backed by a reliable local support team.
So I think Rockwell has done an excellent job in helping HACTL to bring all the OEMs together.
We took a lot of the burden off of HACTL that they normally would have had to have engaged in terms of managing the suppliers to deliver the solution they wanted. And I think we took that task over. It's something we call integration management. But this is something we effectively did here, and I think we saved HACTL a lot of time and a lot of money because we did that and they didn't have to.
Cause and effect. For Super Terminal 1, the effect was success, caused by a single source of responsibility. Rockwell Automation.